Hello and welcome. My name is Daisy. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make stickers using the XTOOL M1 machine. First, I will show you how to work with the design using the XTOOL Creative Space program. I will place the cutting mat on the working area and I will align the sticker paper I will be using. This will help you to align the images or design. And to make these stickers, I will be using Koala glossy sticker paper to make removable stickers and holographic sticker paper to make individually cut stickers. I will link the machine and all the supplies used in this tutorial in the video description down below. The biggest you can print then cut with the XTOOL M1 machine is 7 by 10 inches. I will start by inserting the images to the canvas. Click on Image, open the folder where you have your image, select it and open it. Now I'm going to adjust the size using the little squares around the image. I'm going to insert 3 more images. And here are the images that I'm going to be using for the stickers. These images were downloaded from Creative Fabrica. If you would like to use any of these ones, find the link in the video description down below. Now that I already have the images, I'm going to select them all and I'm going to make sure they don't measure more than 7 by 10 inches. Now I'm going to select them all again and I'm going to add an outline. Click on Outline and add the thickness of your choice. Now that the images have an outline, keep them selected, go to the left, and instead of laser flat, you're going to select Print and Blade Cut. And here on Material, you're going to select White Sticker Paper. Align them again if they moved. As you can see, it already gave us the automatic parameters: the pressure, the speed, and the passes. Now remove the sticker paper from the working area and place it on the printer. Make sure the machine is on. Then click on Process. Now here, click on Print. Select the printer you wish to use. Click on More Settings. And here you're going to select Photo Printing. On Media Type, you're going to select Glossy Photo Paper if you are using glossy sticker paper, or Matte Photo Paper if you are using matte sticker paper. On Quality, select High. Now here, select the paper size, click OK, then Print. To print my stickers, I use my Canon Pixma Mega Tank printer. I'm going to link it in the video description down below. Now I'm going to align and center the printing on the working area. Click Next and Start. And here we have the first group of stickers. These ones are the removable stickers. Now I'm going to show you how to cut individual stickers. For these ones, I'm going to be using Koala holographic sticker paper. I'm going to link it in the video description down below. I'm going to use the same designs that I used for the previous stickers. Click on Proceed, Print, select the printer, and we're going to use the same settings that we used for the previous stickers. I already have the printing. Now I'm going to align it in the working area. Now here we're going to cancel. We're going to go back and we're going to remove the images. But remember, you have to leave the outline. Now select the outline and align it with the images. Select the outline, go to the right, and instead of print and cut, you're going to select blade cut. Select the couture, and on pressure we're going to type 220, speed 80, and 2 passes. These parameters are to cut individual stickers, either holographic or white sticker paper. Now click on Proceed and Start. And here are the individually cut stickers using the XTOOL machine. These ones were cut using holographic sticker paper, and the first ones were cut using glossy sticker paper. I will link the machine and the supplies in the video description down below. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.